Good morning, children. Welcome to your physics class. Today we have a problem based on speed and velocity. I will explain the question once, then we go for the steps for doing problem. Problem 1 in your textbook is a problem mentioned. I will explain now. The odometer of a car reads 2000 kilometer at the start of a trip and 2400 kilometer at the end of a trip. Odometer, it is a device which measures distance traveled. In all the vehicles, we have auto rickshaw, car or even scooter, dashboard you can see kilometer measured there, how much kilometer we are traveling. So that device we call odometer. So the odometer of a car reads 2000 kilometer. So initial we were starting the journey 2000 kilometer at the start of the trip and 2400 kilometer at the end of the trip. Listen children, here 2000 kilometer initial reading we was starting and 2400 kilometer after the end of the trip. Means what is the difference? 400 kilometer. So in this we can understand that distance traveled by the vehicle is 400 kilometer. Vehicle here mentioned the car only. So car travels 400 kilometer during the trip. Then if the trip took 8 hours, calculate average speed and this average speed in 2 units you have to calculate, kilometer per hour and meter per second. Dear children, we know meter per second is the meter per second, meter second raised to minus 1, meter second raised to minus 1 or meter per second, both way we are writing. Similarly, we have kilometer hour raised to minus 1 or kilometer per hour. In this both the units, you have to calculate average speed. So, first we will calculate according to V1 unit kilometer per hour. Then we will convert into meter per second. That is why we are doing. So, I hope everybody understand the question. We go for the steps. So we have like every problem we start like E1 distance traveled. S shows distance traveled. I am telling, but when you do problem enough to write S. S shows distance traveled. 2400 kilometer minus 2000 kilometer. What we will get? 400 kilometer. This 400 kilometer is the distance traveled. Then we have a time. What is time? 8 hours. So 8 H. H represents hour. Average speed. V average. Question mark. So symbol I will introduce you. S shows 2400 minus 2000. We will get 400 kilometer. This is the distance traveled by the vehicle, car. Then time taken to travel this distance is 8 hours. Then we are asked to find average speed, V average. We know the formula to find V average is V average equal to distance by time. Total distance by time. S by T. Total distance by time. Average distance. V average equal to total distance traveled divided by time taken. So we have the equation V average equal to S by T. We have 400 kilometer divided by 8 hour. 400 kilometer divided by 8 hour. So you know when we will cancel what will get 40 45. So it will be 50. 50 will get. So 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour or 50 kilometer hour raised to minus 1. Kilometer hour raised to minus 1. So we got answer in first unit what is mentioned in the question, kilometer per hour. So I will explain one more time the step. Given S equal to 2400 kilometer minus 2000, we get 400 kilometer. Then time taken to travel journey 8 hours. We are asked to find average, V average speed. Average speed equation what will be? V average equal to S by T. 400 kilometer divided by 8 hour. 400 by 8 50. So 50 kilometer per hour is the required answer. We have one more unit asked to find this quantity you have to convert it to meter per second. For that, this is the way we have to do. So first part answer we have done. Second part we go for. We have 1 kilometer hour raised to minus 1 equal to 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour. Listen here, 1 kilometer hour raised to minus 1 equal to 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour. Here everybody understand this step I think. 1 kilometer hour raised to minus 1, how we can write 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour. 1 kilometer how many meters? Kilometer 1000 meter. 1 hour how many seconds? 3600 seconds. 1 hour 3600 seconds. You have learned in lower classes. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour 3600 seconds. Both two zeros, both numerator and denominator we can cancel. Then we have 10 by 36. 10 by 36 means 5 by 18. 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is a conversion. I write conversion like that. 1 kilometer hour raised to minus 1 equal to 5 by 18 meter second raised to minus 1. So this equation you have to study. Then you need to go for this step. You can write it directly. 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So I hope everybody understand this conversion. 1 kilometer per hour, which way we can write 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour. 1000 meter divided by 3600. When 0 cancelled, numerator and denominator we get 10 by 36. 10 by 36 one more time when we cancel we will get 5 by 18 meter per second. So we can write it directly 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. But in our question, no, instead of 1 kilometer per hour we have 50 kilometer per hour. So we average equal to 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer hour raised to minus 1 equal to 50 kilometer 50 into 5 by 18. 50 into 5 by 18 because 1 kilometer per hour 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. This conversion we used. We already I told 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So we average equal to 50 kilometer per hour equal to 50 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Means 250 divided by 18 meter second raised to minus 1 equal to meter per second or meter per second meter second raised to minus 1. I am writing both way because to understand. Sometimes question meter per second only or sometimes question meter second raised to minus 1 only. So both the same only. It is a unit of speed and velocity, SI unit. So 250 by 18 approximately 13.88 meter second raised to minus 1. In our textbook it is 13.9 for 1 digit if we are rounding 13.9 meter per second. So we have got answer in both the units, kilometer per hour and meter per second. I hope everybody understands. It's a very important problem. So you have to write minimum 3 times. Then again, if you have doubt, you can ask me to explain during the Google class. Thank you.